Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Crypto.com, the CRO. So Crypto.com CRO Coin is taking yet another dive down to 53 cents. We were making a bit of a recovery, but then not. Alright, you saw we tried to recover here, made it up to 61 cents, and now we're down to 53 cents. A lot of people still going for VVS Finance, including me, right? So I did convert a bunch over. You can see here the max supply of CRO, 30 billion. There's currently 25 billion circulating. Now that seems like a lot of tokens, right? A billion, that's a lot. All right. However, let's go take a look at VVS and see how many tokens that has under the hood. Now, initially, VVS does not have that many tokens outstanding. You'll see that here in a minute. We look at the tokenomics for VVS, you can see there's 897 billion, which is already more than 10 times what the amount of CRO that's out there. But look at the total supply total, 35 trillion. Now, when I read the white paper, they said 50 trillion would be created in the first year alone, and then halving would take place. So the next year, only 25 trillion would be created, which is still way more than the CRO will ever have. So there hasn't been any word of burns yet for VVS, so this is concerning to me. Now, I've read the white paper, and I still like the token. Go figure, right? It's pretty cheap. The price has recovered. Let's go look at the price. You can see over the last week or so, the price has been going down, down, down. So I've been dollar cost averaging again, little by little. Down here at the bottom, you can see I made a little bit of a purchase, just a dollar cost average, and now there's a bit of recovery. Now, I'm not sure when or how many tokens are going to be created and released, so that could seriously impact the value of each token. So just keep on the lookout, do your own research. We are making lots and lots of interest over there in the Kronos VVS Finance marketplace. Let's go over and take a look. Okay, so now I'm in the Defi wallet. You can see a lot of red. Not good. But let's just mosey on over here to the Kronos VVS Finance area, and we can take a look at VVS. Now, you can see the amount of capital that I put in is not cut in half, but it's down about 30% or so, which is not good. And the only thing saving me is this right here. Let's go take a look at the mine. So in the mine, I'm making, okay, so we started out at 3,000%, and then we kept decreasing, and we're down to 790% interest. Well, that's terrible. Although, 790%, where are you going to find that, right? Not bad. But if you do manual, it's 220. Alright, not as good as it used to be. Go over to the farm. You can see there is some reasonable things here. Ethereum, CRO, got some good pairs. We have 325% for the CRO VVS pair, which is pretty decent. It used to be much, much higher. It used to be close to 800% when I started. Go back and look at those videos. You can still get 476% with VVS USDC. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright, you can see the different pairs. And I need to harvest this pretty soon, but not yet. But you can see how much I have staked and how much I had staked back then. I'm down for sure. So I'll have to see how that tokenomics plays out overall. So if we take a look over here at the market cap has definitely gone down. It was higher. It was up to 185 million, I believe. But oh yeah, you can see here the liquidity. It's dropped a little bit because people started cashing out. People are a little uncertain on where the VVS is going to go. Now, there's still a lot of liquidity here, almost $1 billion, and that seems like a lot. You can see volumes are still not super high, but you can see right here, somebody definitely started cashing out. So interesting. Okay, guys, tell me what you guys think of VVS and the CRO. I think probably the CRO is probably a better long-term bet, just on the supply side. The supply side, it's much better, and there's not going to be that many tokens out there for the CRO, and I think it can easily go to $1, $2, maybe even $5. That would put the market cap rather high, but I think we can get there with Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin starts going up and breaks that 50K, it's been hovering around 50K. It really needs to break up through the previous high of 68K, and then off to the races. Sky's the limit. $1 million a coin in the next 10 years. It's going to be crazy. Alright, guys. That's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.